In a case of alleged property dispute, one NIRMAL GHOSH and his wife JHUMA GHOSH, residing in Mumbai, had been physically and verbally assaulted by his family members in Shillong during the visit to settle the matter that concerns the ancestral property at ARBUTHNOT Road, LAITUMKHRAH, Shillong. Following the incident, NIRMAL GHOSH had recently filed an FIR with the LAITUMKHRAH police station and the matter is under investigation. It may be mentioned that Jogomaya Ghosh, wife of NIRMAL Ghosh's deceased brother Bishwajit Ghosh, has been residing with her minor son at her late husband's ancestral property at Arbuthnot Road, LAITUMKHRAH, Shillong, since their marriage. However, on her husband's demise, she has been facing ill treatment that include physical and sexual harassment by her in-laws. The incident was reported at the LAITUMKHRAH police station in October 2021, but to this date, there has been no action or response from the police department or other concerned authorities on the matter.
4 years, okay. Now, after her husband's death, they out her from her own house. Now she is staying in her with her brother. And they beat her very badly. She is actually kidney donor. she दिया था मतलब किडनी उसका हस्बैंड को, ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट उसका आफ्टर 10 years हस्बैंड का डेथ हो गया, ओके. एंड नाउ हर सिस्टर इन लॉ आउट कर दिया घर से. हाँ, उसका बाद हम लोग उसका साथ भी झगड़ा करता है. उन्होंने भी FIR किया था 6 महीना पहले. आफ्टर दैट सब कुछ होने के बाद मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ. मैं सुन के आई हूँ टू हेल्प हर, बिकॉज हम लोग दोनों मिलके सोचा कि हाँ उसको ये करना है. कैसा भी करके हम लोग को दिनों को भी टॉर्चर किया उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड लास्ट 4 days से मेरे को अटैक हो रहा है मेरे ऊपर. दे आर अटैकिंग मी from last 4 days. I can give you proof, video proof.
देखा, हम तो नीचे बैठते हैं ना वही हाउस में.
इसका सब पैसा ले लिया,
सब पैसा साइन करके कर मार के सब ले लिया. कुछ नहीं है अब इसका पास. उसका लड़का को भी लेके गया. लड़का भी गंदा गंदा बात करता है.
LIC का जितना ये था LIC